It's my 2018 update video. Take one. Oh, wait, here. Action. I always wanted to do that. Yay! Hi, I'm Carlino, and I don't really have anything important to show you. Nonetheless, I wanted to do a quick update video for the new year. It is 2018, and anybody who actually watches my channel on a regular basis may have noticed that I did not upload a video on Sunday. I know. Yeah, this is actually a big deal for me because I don't think that I've missed an update, like a weekly update, for over a year. But I'll tell you what, I just spent the last week being ridiculously sick. I haven't been that sick in, like, forever. I mean, I'll get sick from time to time, you know, be under the weather for a few days, and then I'll get over it. Nothing that really puts me down for the count, but this one sucked. But went to the doctor, got the good drugs, and now I'm feeling a lot better. So, you know, kudos to the good drugs. Nonetheless, I wanted to take this opportunity to look ahead to 2018 and some of the things that that I'm hoping to bring to the channel and show to all of you. First of all, thanks to my mom and Al for picking up one of these at a Goodwill, amazingly enough. I mean, how often do you see one of these things at a Goodwill? What's funny is that my wife, my ever-loving wife, got one of these on Amazon, which only was waiting for us when we got here. But this part kind of came off the front. It's littler, and I don't think it's going to make as much of a clappy noise. But it is cute, and, you know, cute goes a long way. Other things. Many thanks to Josh and Laura for this. I got a drone. That's awesome. I know, you know, lots of people have drones these days. Well, now I have one. So you can look forward to stellar aerial photography. Actually, that's not true. What you can look forward to is images of this thing going really, really close to trees, and then probably the image flipping over several times and me looking frantically as I race towards the camera. I did get a chance to try it out, and I've discovered that I'm a terrible pilot. So if the drone survives, then we're going to do all sorts of fun things with it, assuming that it survives. And if not, you can look forward to some awesome videos about how to fix a drone when you break it. Some other things to look forward to is, you remember this? This is my entertainment system. This is the NES Mini knockoff that I broke, and I did a little video talking about it and the RetroPie and comparing that to the original NES Mini and the Super NES Mini. Well, at this point, the RetroPie is in here. So I have gotten to spend a lot of time, especially while I was sick, playing Legend of Zelda and several dozen other old school video games, and I am in love with this thing. So you can look forward to a video where I show all the many, many mods that I did to turn this into a fully functional clone of the NES Mini that does everything that it does and so much more. And I'm starting to see why the people who are kind of fanatical about using a Raspberry Pi with RetroPie software are just super excited about it, because it really is fantastic once you dig into it and figure out how to take advantage of it. But I stand by what I said before. The learning curve is pretty steep. I've invested a lot of time into making this do everything that I want it to do. Last but certainly not least, some of the other things that you can look forward to in 2018. I've still got more footage of me fixing the car, the truck, some of my friends' vehicles, and I'm looking forward to some more tool review videos. So that's going to be fun. I openly admit that some of the footage could possibly still be from 2016. You know, I'm going to choose to believe that most of you guys don't actually care about the chronological order of which I did these fixes. Nonetheless, some of these projects have just folders and folders of really boring footage. It is my job to sort through all of that stuff and try and show you only the good parts. Well, shut up, Dawn. You're going to say none of them are good parts. But nonetheless, they're parts that actually show the relevant operations so that if you're thinking about taking on one of these tasks, you actually know what's involved. So that's it! If you like this video or you like any of my other videos, please feel free to subscribe. Click the thumbs up button. Other than that, that is what to look forward in 2018 on the Clay Carlino channel. So, this is Clay Carlino telling you to be brave. Now, I have to clean up my garage after all of that skull making stuff.